Disclaimer: all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able.
They say, damn boy, you get on the beat, boy, you can flow on anything. I just pop my shit like a gorilla, I let my nuts hang. I hit a Navy 5K, bust that bitch down with the gang. I don't get the hair like these narcotics, bitch, I'm trying to snatch your brain. Hold on, they say, damn boy, you like Brian. Catch a pussy, boy, let time up, leave ass in the garage. Catch all I can throw the pussy ass up in the tail. I keep my ride just like a fence. Nigga players that get baked, wait. I say, I'm sweet just like a cake. Nigga try to swing on Q, on come out the sunroof with the Drake. Nigga ain't gon' get outlined and talk or outline in some fucking tape. I speak their ride so much, but they broke ass still ain't get no pay. Boy, yeah, oh my that boy.
Slide a motherfucking Tesla, Jack. It's been in that bitch too. I knew one nigga, but he wasn't slide like that. Roll back, baby. He's not soggy. He's not soggy. It sounds so good when we bounce on that rail now. Oh my God. That shit fun, bro. That's motivation. Ain't another barrel behind it. About time Chevy show up to the damn party. That bitch sounds good. Well, I'm with the next. Oh my God, you see? What the hell? And roll back on your brother? Oh my God. 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 Hey, brother. Yep, it's a V6. I thought it was an SS2 behind him. He just gotta hold that motherfucker. Oh my God. Oh my God. He made him. Oh my God. The double roll back. It's tough. They going wide as fuck. They gotta have that bitch in manual. If that bitch can't do a burnout in manual, then that bitch just on the power. Huh? He driving that bitch for it to be a V6 though. Although he don't like V6s. I'm not gonna lie.
On the road?
I'm talking about sliding because they underpowered. Like you gotta know what you're doing to slide a V6.
It's turn on the down though.
That shit's so hard. Oh shit! That nigga rock. Damn. That bit wide, twin. Twin, look at that bit wide. Twin. Alright, successful day. I mean, it was a successful pick day, but Sally, my boy Swift got, you know, went down today at the pit. He got hit. We got Joey, you know what I'm saying? We got the cops. Say what? I ain't shit.
Should've picked my lights.
Tight. Yo, we got Swift in the chat. Yes, sir, Ski.
I got fucked up early. I live to race another day.
Come on, man. That's all to it.